After security credentials are verified, a manager will be directed to the landing page. We have basic navigation icons on the left and charts with quick statistics on the right. You'll see we have this demo set up to performance rating statistics, but this is customizable to display any salary planning information you determine. Please notice that you can filter populations for these graphics by clicking the manager name in the hierarchy section at the top of the page. Clicking on the Start icon will direct manager users inside the application. They will use the menu at the top of the screen to navigate within compACT. Managers will have the option of selecting which employees they would like to view. My Group will populate the summary with only the user's direct report employees. My Group Total Organization will include all direct and indirect reports. The manager user can determine which currency they would like to view the recommendations in. Local currency is the default view, which will display each employee's information in their local currency and the totals in the manager's currency. Guidelines can be applied to any and all pay components. The application can be configured to require comment to be entered for justification if the recommendation is outside of guidelines, reject a recommendation if it takes the employee over the maximum of the salary range, or split a recommendation between a salary increase and lump sum payment if the recommendation takes the employee over the maximum of the range. This is an example of a comment being required if a recommendation is over the max guideline. Managers can check their progress against budget for their entire hierarchy. Clicking on the manager name link will expand the selected manager's budget to view. A user can also enter recommendations in single employee view that we call the individuals page. This page allows the user to see a detailed view for an individual employee. In this view, you'll notice that there are additional tabs where you can also access information on pay performance history, and an audit tab that details system activity tied to that employee within the application. Once the recommendations are complete, the user submits their recommendations to their next level manager for approval. An email notification will be sent to the next level manager informing them that the recommendations have been submitted for review, and the records will become locked to the manager that has submitted. The next level manager then has the option of approving them, changing them, or rejecting them. An approval sends the completed recommendations up the hierarchy chain for further review, and a do not accept sends them back to the original manager for amendment. Please search our help options for more detailed information on additional functionality within compACT.